Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Saya datang ke station untuk kereta cepat. Do you want beer, Papa? We are going with Kereta cepat, that is the bullet train which runs at 350 kilometers per hour. And we are eating this. This is beer Papa's chocolate puffs. Okay, let's go. So what is Kereta cepat? Kereta cepat is the fastest bullet train in entire Southeast Asia. Here is a miniature model of the Kereta cepat, showcasing the construction and the beauty of this bullet train. So this is the fastest train in Southeast Asia, which runs at 350 kilometers per hour from Jakarta to Bandung. Let's go. Which one? This one? 12A. This one. 12B, 12A. Oh yeah, this one. Finally, our journey has started, and we are inside a train with the state-of-the-art modern facilities. The views from the window are amazing. We can see the countryside of West Java. Whoosh. So there are lots of beautiful places in and around West Java. The place we are going is called Bandung. Bandung is 140 kilometers away from Jakarta. Also, it takes like 3 hours to go to Bandung if you're going by car, bus, or normal train. But with Kereta cepat, that is the bullet train, we can reach there by within half an hour. Also, Bandung is above sea level, so the weather there is much more pleasant than in Jakarta. In Jakarta, the weather is hot and humid, but in Bandung, it is cold. It's still raining, but it's overall pleasant too, and it is a really good place to stay actually. Oh, it's going up now. This is going up. The speed is going up. It's increasing. The speed of the train increased gradually from 300 to 320 to 330 and then finally 340. And then after that, slowly it decreased as we reached near Bandung. Another interesting fact about West Java is that most of the people there are farmers, so they cultivate rice, since rice is a main ingredient of Javanese diet. So we have nasi goreng, nasi bakar, and dishes like that. After half an hour of the journey, we reached Bandung. Okay, whoosh. Okay, see you. Tada, bye bye. We waited there for some time till the train left, just to see how it looks and just to admire the beauty of this train. Okay, bye bye. After the train went for its next destination, we went to the local train so we can go to the Bandung city. Okay, let's go. Here is a glimpse of the beautiful Bandung city. Permisi, permisi. Oh, sorry. Kereta Indonesia. Thank you for watching the video. Okay, come on, cepat cepat like, share, and subscribe.